Hey, welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, if you are new to the page, go ahead, take your finger, hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. This is going to be a short week for me, but I had to just say something today about the market, what's going on in the market, right? Remember, never fall for any spam, okay? My name should have a check beside it. I will never ask you to send any crypto, talk about a WhatsApp, none of that. Talk to my broker. You hear anybody talking about that, it's spam. Please do not fall for it. All right. So what's happening today is retail has really been shocking. Um, Gift cards are up by 43%. This has been the best retail. This has been the retail numbers have been better than they've been in the last 17 years. Okay, we're talking pre-COVID numbers that are really going up. And if you take a look here, you see here holiday sales soars with commerce notching huge gains. A reporter says you guys went out and you spent money like it was going out of style. Look at here. The report MasterCard spending pulse showed an 8.5% increase in retail sales over the holiday season. This is really big, right? Sales in stores were up 8.1%. Okay, for those of you that thought stores were dead, look at this. Online sales 20.9%. I mean, we're posting insane numbers, and this is good. This is good for the stock market, which you guys know by now that the crypto market is tied to the stock market. There is a direct correlation, right? And so this is the Santa Claus rally. On yesterday, I talked about the last 5 days of the year, which we are in. This is the last trading week in the first 2 days of the new year. It's called the Santa Claus rally. Okay. Over the last 43 years, it has been positive over 75% of the time. So those are the type of numbers I can rock with. All right. And but you want to be careful because the last trading day is the last day is Friday, and it is a lot of people are going to be doing tax loss harvesting. Okay, so you want to be careful right now. Myself, I'm kind of cashing up. I'm not buying anything heavy this week. You just want to see if stock that you were down a little bit could come green. We got to be really careful and be more selective, especially this week. I'm hoping that stock like Neo makes a rebound. I'm pretty green in all of my stock. Neo is the only stock that I'm red, and literally 1 week could turn that around. But if not, I'm gonna hold it because Tip Ranks, which I have a link below, suggests that it's going to be $62 a share over the next 12 months, which I could wait, right? But a lot could happen before then. And so that's a whole nother story. You can watch my other my other videos concerning Neo, all right? So let's look at what's happening with crypto right now also, because crypto is doing its thing too. It has really been doing its thing. All right, let's look at crypto. Let me see if I can get this bigger for you guys. There we go. Let me bag that up. So now let's look at Bitcoin. Let's stop that. I just snapped this on my phone. Let's look at Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin is up 2%, and Ethereum has been making a comeback. Look at this. Solano, this is just the last 24 hours, good people. ADA, Polygon, Tezos, making really good. Shiba's up 0.78%. AMP is up 10%. I mean, crypto.com almost 2%. What else? Decentraland, 1.6. Then we got Gala, almost 3.5%. XRP which is a gift and which is dynamite in a bag, just waiting for this stupid court case to be over. Man, I will tell you that when I look at my portfolio, my crypto portfolio for the last week, the only thing I've been doing is thanking God that I have not sold one thing, not one. Listen to this report that crypto. Listen to this report. I want you guys to listen to this and we'll go from there. It's a short video. Listen to this.
To the exchange, Bitcoin coming off a strong week. Let's get right now to Christina P. for a market flash on what the cryptos are doing today. Christina.
I don't want to jinx it because anything is possible, but it might be tough for Bitcoin to hit that promised $100,000 mark by year end, but it is definitely charging higher. And what a year of all-time highs and record-breaking drops in 2021. Year to date, the cryptocurrency is well above 75% higher, on pace for its third straight positive year after gaining over 306% last year. And you can see just to the 2-year mark, 616%. But that's nothing compared to Ether, the second largest digital coin, up almost 450% or above 450% after gaining almost 480% just last year alone. And crypto-linked stocks also moving higher, like American Bitcoin miner Marathon Digital. We're seeing that trending higher. We also have, and that's up 22% just in the past 5 days. And you have similar patterns for Riot Blockchain, MicroStrategy, Coinbase. You can see across the board a sea of green. And some of that movement could be due to the upcoming crypto bill. Wyoming Republican Senator Cynthia Lummis plans to introduce a crypto bill that would cover everything from how digital assets are taxed to regulating stablecoins and creating a new regulatory body. She's even tweeted she's seeking bipartisan co-sponsors out there. Such a bill, though, as you know, could provide some clear guidelines on how to navigate and regulate the crypto world.
So you guys know it's coming. They're going to regulate crypto, and crypto is going to be widely adopted. It's coming. For those of you that are not in the crypto, I think you're doing yourself a disjustice. I think you're going to be behind the curve. When I first started crypto, it was 10%, then it went to 20%, now it's 30% of my portfolio. And it just keeps increasing. Not because I was buying so much, but because what I bought actually doubled and tripled, and it just kept going up. It grew to that. And I believe that 2022, crypto will be making some gains as a hedge against inflation. So next year is going to be really, really tricky. It's extremely important that you guys pay close attention to what's going on in the stock market so you'll know what's going on with crypto. All right, especially with the rising interest rates. It's going to affect everything. I want to keep this one really short. Listen, do your boy a favor. I didn't ask for nothing for Christmas. All I want for Christmas is my 2 front teeth. No, all I want those two. If you can, if I've helped you make 1 penny, $1. Some of you, someone cornered me and said they made $75,000 following me that had never invested. So this is going to be a short posting week for me, but I'm actually working for you guys for something that's going to help. Working on a class. And I want you guys to do me a favor now for Christmas and New Year. Share my page with at least 5 people. Start with your family members first, because we don't want them asking you for money. We want to show them how to make money. And start your kids out right now, because when we go into a bear season next year, and no one knows how long it's going to be, that is the time to be loading up. But now will be the season for you guys to learn. All right, good people? I'm going to keep it short. Make sure you check out all of the links below, because I believe that even during the bear season, the stock that you wanted to get and it was too high, I believe that it's going to provide a lot of buying opportunity. So that's why I'm just really chill this week, not really buying anything heavy. The last thing I bought was Tesla, and I'm glad I did at that price, $8.95. And so We're just going to watch everything. We're going to be extremely selective on what we do. We're not going to buy every dip. And now you're going to see, especially a lot of these new YouTubers that don't have a clue of what they're talking about. A lot of them are going to go away next year. And at the end of next year, only the experienced traders will survive. And that's what's going to happen. But I'm going to tell you, don't be fearful. It's going to be the greatest opportunity to build wealth. It is. We're still in the midst of the greatest transfer of wealth in the history of the world. We just want you guys to be wise and partake of it. All right, good people? These allergies kicking my butt again, so forgive me if I feel or sound congested. Hey, also, a lot of you have noticed that you thought you were subscribed and you weren't. Make sure to check to see if you are subscribed, and make sure that your notification bell is checked for all. It's easier to do on a computer than a phone. I don't know why. That's all I want to say to you guys. I'm going to make it a short week, so you guys be blessed. Praying for all you guys. I really do appreciate all your Christmas wishes. I love each and every one of you, and we'll see you later this week. All right? Live, love, laugh, and learn.